User manuals are essential for any software application. They serve as a comprehensive guide that helps users navigate through the features and functionalities of the software. They bridge the gap between complex technology and the end user, making it easier for users to understand and operate the software. A well-written manual empowers users to understand and utilize the software's full potential. It provides step-by-step instructions that can make even the most complex tasks seem simple. Without a user manual, users may feel lost and frustrated, leading to decreased productivity and satisfaction. This can result in a negative user experience and poor reviews. Imagine purchasing a new smartphone without an instruction manual. You would be left to figure out its features and settings on your own. Navigating its features and settings would feel overwhelming and confusing, especially for those who are not tech-savvy. User manuals provide a roadmap for users, guiding them through the software's intricacies. They offer detailed explanations and visual aids to make the learning process smoother. By offering clear and concise instructions, user manuals enable users to troubleshoot problems independently. This fosters a sense of self-reliance and confidence. This reduces the burden on customer support and empowers users to solve issues on their own, saving time and resources for both the user and the company. In essence, user manuals are indispensable tools for user onboarding, product adoption, and overall user satisfaction. They play a crucial role in ensuring that users have a positive experience with the software. Effective user manuals share common components that contribute significantly to their clarity and overall usefulness. A comprehensive user manual should begin with a concise introduction outlining the software's purpose and target audience. Following the introduction, step-by-step instructions provide a detailed walkthrough of the software's functionalities and features. Each step should be presented clearly, using simple language and avoiding technical jargon to ensure understanding. A troubleshooting section is crucial for addressing common issues that users may encounter during use. This section should provide solutions to frequently asked questions and offer guidance on resolving problems independently. Lastly, a comprehensive FAQ section can address common user queries, further enhancing the manual's overall helpfulness. The clarity of instructions within a user manual is paramount to its effectiveness. Clear instructions ensure that users can follow along without confusion, leading to a better overall experience. When crafting instructions, it's essential to use simple and concise language that is easily understandable. This helps in making sure that the user does not get overwhelmed by complex sentences or unnecessary details. Avoid technical jargon and industry-specific terms that may confuse the user. Instead, opt for everyday language that anyone can understand, regardless of their background or expertise. Break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less daunting and allows the user to follow along more easily. Each step should be presented in a logical order, guiding the user through the process seamlessly. A well-structured sequence helps in maintaining the flow and ensures that no step is missed. Use action verbs to clearly indicate the required action for each step. Action verbs provide clear direction and make it obvious what the user needs to do next. For example, instead of saying the user can click on the button, right-click on the button. This makes the instruction more direct and easier to follow. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your instructions are clear, concise, and easy to follow. Clear instructions not only improve user satisfaction, but also reduce the likelihood of errors and misunderstandings. Section 4. Enhancing understanding through visuals. Visual aids play a crucial role in enhancing the clarity and overall effectiveness of user manuals. Screenshots, diagrams, and flowcharts can convey complex information much more effectively than text alone. Screenshots provide users with a visual representation of the software's interface, making it easier to follow detailed instructions. When using screenshots, ensure they are clear, high resolution, and properly labeled for better understanding. Diagrams and flowcharts are particularly useful for illustrating processes and workflows within the software. They provide a visual roadmap for users, making it easier to understand complex procedures and tasks. By incorporating visuals strategically throughout the user manual, you can significantly enhance its clarity and overall effectiveness. Section 5. The power of well-crafted user manuals. In conclusion, well-crafted user manuals are essential for the success of any software application. They serve as a bridge between the user and the software, ensuring that users can fully utilize the features and functionalities offered. They empower users to navigate the software confidently, troubleshoot issues independently, and maximize their productivity. A good user manual reduces the learning curve and minimizes the need for external support. By following the guidelines outlined in this essay, you can create user manuals that are clear, concise, and highly effective. This involves understanding the user's perspective and anticipating their needs. Remember to use simple language, break down complex tasks, and incorporate visuals to enhance understanding. Visual aids like diagrams and charts can make complex information more digestible. A well-written user manual is an investment in user satisfaction and product success. It not only helps users but also reflects positively on the brand. By providing users with the information they need to succeed, you can foster a positive user experience and drive the adoption of your software. Ultimately, this leads to higher user retention and satisfaction.